How to delete empty page on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and long press on an empty area of your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. This action puts your home screen into edit mode, allowing you to rearrange apps, add widgets, and manage your home screen pages. Once in edit mode, tap on Edit at the top left corner. From the menu, select Edit Pages. Now, find the empty page you want to delete. Tap the checkmark icon below the page thumbnail to uncheck it. Then, tap on the minus icon on the top left of the thumbnail. A confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, tap on Remove to confirm. As you can see, the empty page is now gone. Tap on Done in the top right corner to exit the page editor. Tap on Done again to exit jiggle mode. Following these steps, you can easily delete an empty page on an iPhone.